This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on Find My iPhone. So if you ever lose it, you can use the app right here on a different iPhone, or you can go to iCloud and then you can find it on there as well. So we want to go to settings, tap on that, and then go to your name on the top. So you can see your name. Once you go to your name, there will be an option for Find My. So here's my name, main menu, scroll on down and go to Find My right here. Now let's just go to Find My and then go on down and we can go to Find My iPhone right here and we can simply just turn it on. So we have three different options. We have Find My Network, and Send Last Location. Now to turn on these two options, you will need to have some sort of like password pin or some sort of like Face ID on there as well. And then you should be able to locate your iPhone on a different device, and you can share your location with someone else too. Here's my location, share my location, and then you can add like family members or friends down here at the bottom, and then you can go to one of these applications or go to iCloud.com to find it in the future if you ever lose it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.